What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to download and install Tableau on Windows 11. Firstly, visit Tableau desktop download page and then download the installer file for Windows. Double-click the downloaded file to begin installation. Read the license agreement, check the box I agree to terms, then click Install. Once installation finishes, you'll be prompted to your info like first name, last name, email, organization, and geographic information. If you already have a license key, click Activate Tableau. Enter your Tableau desktop key, and after entering it, Tableau desktop will finish setup and you should see the message Tableau desktop installation completed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.